So we're back with another jobbing episode. This week we've got a burst cold main. Take a look at the temporary repair. I thought it was absolutely genius. We've also got a radiator in there we've got to replace. I do make a mistake on it though. And this will happen to you. Trust me, it happens to every plumber. I just want to say again, thank you very much for your support. I really, really appreciate it. This is the week after installer. So for everybody that come up to me installer and said hello, I really appreciate it. It was great to meet you all. I want to say again, make sure you subscribe. We're nearly at 10k. I want to do that 10k giveaway. If you've got any questions, drop them in the comments. I'll do my best to answer them. Make sure you like the video if it helps you out. Yeah, let's take a look at this week's work. Well, so on this one, we'll be replacing a bathroom radiator. It's gone a bit rusty. Customer wants a nice new tail valve in there. So let me show you what we're up against. Here's the radiator in question. You can see it's gone a bit naff on that side. Yeah. So what we're going to do is we're just draining it down at the moment. Get this one out and we're going to fit one just there. And then the pipe work, not a lot we can do, tiled floor, we're going to have to elbow in. It is what it is. Can only work what you got, can't you? So yeah, let's get this one drained down and get that one off. Make this one easy to carry downstairs. I'm going to shut off both the valves. So what I can do then is undo the bottom nuts and that will lock off the radiator, save me spilling water everywhere. Because I remember on a video before, on the renovator, a big renovation job. Yeah, I was just carrying the radiators out, but shutting the valves off and water went everywhere. It was an empty air cell, yeah, but obviously this one is empty. We don't want water going everywhere. There we go, nuts undone. Should be able to just lift that off now. First problem, not a good one. I've seen this before, but yeah, they've tiled around the radiator. Because now to the radiator off, there's a patch of tiles missing, so well, we should get this one out and I'm going to have words with the customer, say if they want me to leave the radiator, I'll put the valves on, fit the radiator and just leave it off on the valve so it can be took off, tiles, then put back on. Bit annoying that. Oh, well, to get this where we want it, we just took a measurement between the two valves. See that little line on the wall? Just there. Centre the right, line it up where you want it, and just offer the radiator to the wall, not the blind down. Put one hole there, that'll be our top measurement for the bracket, so we just want it that high. Then we can come across with the pipe work. That's probably the best way I can get this up. I've got to move that blind out of the way, it's in my way now. Once you've got your top one, just put the speed level across, just to make sure they're getting both central, line down the wall, then I'll measure from the centre there to the centre of the bottom one, which is 880, which is the top one, measured it one to start with, and just put two lines there. So then it should be the 4 fixing points now for our radiator. Drill, plug, and get it on the wall. Tail valves are simple, to be fair, they really are. Bottom brackets are in, that bracket's in, that bracket, yeah. Split the tile when I was drilling it. When I was drilling it now, I have got a tile bit and I put it on, not much to put a bit too much pressure. Well, there's a hollow spot behind here. Yeah, let's just split the tile. Not a lot I can do. Be careful when you drill holes. It will happen to you, this will happen to you. It will, it's plumbing crap happens. You've got to carry on and make the best out of a bad situation. Not very happy with myself, very, very annoyed. It's what it is. It's what it is. It's going to happen to you. I'm telling you, if you're going to be a plumber or you're a plumber, you're going to break tile. It happens, but luckily, I think then we're going to have to replace that one. It shouldn't be too bad, but still annoying. Still annoying. Alright, so what I've done is, you see these screws? I've put them in ready. They're not all the way through, just ready in place, because trying to fiddle about with them after is a nightmare. I've got the back brackets on nice and loose, so they can slide. And what I've got to do now is put radiator in place, line them up roughly where I want it. I should be able to just lift it up and slide it on. One-handed, while talking to you, there you go. And then the bottom I could just swing it out and get the bottom ones in, but I can't do that one-handed. Yeah, that's all in. Oh God, I'm so annoyed about that. Right, now the radiator's on, just put the valves in. So I've just connected the valve all together, because now I can just spin it into the valve. About there, that'll do it. That should do it. I've just got to wait for them to go off. Now your radiator valves in, out or forward. If you're having forward, yeah, I'm a psychopath. Nobody has him like that, you can kick him. Well, some people do, but I don't agree with that. I always have him that way. I think it just looks better into the radiator. Keeps it nice and straight. But yeah, just gotta wait for them to go off. Have a tidy up, have a cup of coffee, and come back and yeah, I'm gonna have to bring that pipe there, kick. That pipe there, kick. That's the only thing I can do with this one. Right, drying on clothes, let's get this filled up. It shouldn't take too long, to be fair. I only drained off 3 radiators. I've got the new one shut off at the moment. Just restart with the radiators looking mad. Make sure you left no lead points open. Or you put it okay leaking. Get your steps in now, don't you? So let's say we finished off. So just nail back, kick a bit of pipe into the valve. Same both ends now. I did bring it over this way slightly because of the toilet. You don't need to have a valve right on top of the toilet. So we have got to sort out that. We're just going to have to put something temporary in it just to cover it up, make it, yeah, I'm just annoyed with myself with that, but let's see what I can do. Right, so we just bombed some silicone in it. I don't know how to do it, it still sticks out, looks awful. Here's what it is, I said, well, down here's got to be patchwork somehow, something's got to be patched in there, so I've left the rad valves off, so to get it off it's just undo them caps and unscrew it. Undo that and you can take it off them, put it back on, but yeah, that is all installed for now. So I am just really annoyed about that cracked hole, but it happens, it can happen. I've not had it happen to me for a while, I really haven't. So it's only yesterday I was drilling some tiles, bigger holes than that, and it was absolutely fine. I mean, it had the best drilling tiles because, you know, sometimes when an expensive bathroom, expensive tiles, oh my god, if I crack this tile up, I'm in trouble. But it happens as a plumber. It's just one of them, you know, part of the job. But yeah, that's that job all done. Alright, so this one is the father-in-law's. Found me up in a panic because that pipe had burst, the mains. And what was happening was the water was coming up, trickling all the way down there. So yeah, it's going to be the burst. You can see why it's gone because the saw pipes are resting on top of it. Imagine cars going over here, it's a stress point, so it's split over. So fair play, look at that. Just a temporary get them going. It works. It worked, but we'll give the nails, chop it, couple of couplers, let's try and get it underneath the saw pipe if we can. Try and take that strain off it. So we've got a bit of 25mm blue pipe, water's off. Just gonna have to cut it and see what we can do. Alright, cut that side, cut this side. Come on, there we go. There we go. I mean, fair play, that is a great repair. Don't forget, this was late last night, so yeah, rubber and glue leak clips worth the treat. We did try some of that Gorilla tape as well, but yeah, that's the whole bit out. I'm hoping now we can get the flex underneath. We'll soon find out. Picked up some of these universal fittings, so I'm hoping that'll go straight into there, tighten it up, and get the flexion underneath there, so it's not passing over this pipe, because that's what's caused it. Flexion over that pipe, the car's going over it. Yeah, let's give that a tighten up and get that on. Right, so a couple on there, bit of blue pipe, got the insert in. I'm hoping now I can get it underneath that pipe. Let's give it a try. So, managed to get the water back on, got it underneath the pipe. I did have to jug the water out, so what I'm going to do, I'm just going to leave it 10 minutes now, just see if I get any drips or anything off there. But now it's underneath there, you shouldn't have the stress when you're walking over the driveway. So, okay, probably the best thing to do in this case is probably put a new mains in, but you got to go all the way to there, all the way down there, shared driveway. That'll be sound, that will. I'm going to fill that in with pea gravel, get some pea gravel in there, fill it up, then backfill it, get it compressed down. So you'll have a weak spot in this drive now when you put the bricks back down, but pea gravel around that. Yeah, that's got that repair done. Happy days. So that, if you're wondering what the rubber that is actually a licking mat for a dog. So what you're supposed to do is put peanut butter on it, but what father-in-law did was to pull the suckers off the back, cut it down, just got some glue leak clips on it, just get anything on it just to stop it overnight till I can come back today and put that bit of pipe in. Hey, if it's stupid and works, is it stupid? Absolutely not. I think that's genius. Should have just left it like that. Probably all better than that. So this one is a straight swap shower. We've got a Mira Advance coming out and we're going to be fitting the similar model. Let's hope Mira haven't changed the electrics and the water. It should be here. That's where the new one said it was. So we're just going to get this one out. I've already disconnected the hose, got that out. A bit of advice, put something down to protect the shower tray, because obviously using screwdrivers and that, if you slip, drop one, you don't want to damage that tray. So get something down. I have no idea how this comes out because I can't see. Oh, there's a screw there. So let's undo that screw. See if we get that case off. Yeah, that screw's out. Don't need that. That should, yeah, there you go. Okay, just disconnect that lead and that should be out. And it looks like, looks like the water and the electrics are going to be the same place. Okay, now all that's off, let's do safe isolation. So we have got the power on. 240. Let me just turn the power off. And then we can try that in there. So power switch is there. Turn that off. Do it again. Very hard one-handed, but I am trying to teach through the powers of YouTube. That is dead. Now, what I would recommend as well is turn it off at the fuse board. See if there's a separate line for that. Just to be double safe, like that should isolate it, but yeah, if you've got 2 points of isolation, all the more better. So yeah, I'll go down, have a look on the fuse board, see if there's a switch, get electrics disconnected, get the water off, get the old one out, and see if this new one lines up. Right, electrics disconnected. Let's see. Did the freaking hell put that there? Okay, let's get that off. Then I should be able to get in there, get that compression off. So that has all been disconnected and loose, that nut. Happy days. There's a screw down here, nothing over there, and there's 2 in the top. One there, we'll get that one done. One there, and that should lift off. Screws them out. You can see it fell forward. Lift off. Feed it. Come on, there we go. That's the old one off, and that is what we're left with. Let's have a look at the new one now. Okay, so to get the front case off, exactly the same. One screw there. I thought this was blocking it, but it doesn't. You can just pull that out. There you go. There's that connection. Electrics for that. It looks exactly the same, even the fixing points. Apart from that one. I don't think we can get that one, but it should just be connect the water onto there, electrics onto there. Yeah, same fixing points. First difference to notice is that it's not a compression elbow, it's a swivel, because that's just come out. So we're going to pop that off and get a compression elbow on there, and hopefully it should stay the same height. Okay, so we put compression elbow on, a little bit of pipe into the fitting, water's back on now. Electrics, we did trim them down because that was a little bit too long. Just trim them down, then you got the same kind of connection lead as the old one. That's got to go onto the front, but yeah, that's all in. We've got a fixing point there, I've still got to put that one in there. Yeah, that is nicely against the wall, looking good. Right, so no leaks in there, happy days. Put that cover back on, got our ribbon out, skewing screws, 2 in the top, 1 in the bottom. That should be absolutely fine. So we're just going to get the cover on now, connect that to the cover, screw underneath, and that should be the shower done. Ribbon on, and that should slide over. He says, yep, there we go. That's a screw, the goes just there. Not gonna lie, I've had to take it back off to get the hose in, it was just easier, so I didn't cross thread it. Now I'm going to replace the rail and the shower head as well, which should be a straight swap hopefully. I'm going to just pop these cover off here, which should just be a flat head just underneath there, and that should pop off. There's a screw in there, so 1 screw there, 1 screw up there, and that should come off. So that actually lined up with both the screw holes. Unbelievable, unbelievable. Everything's like a straight swap on this, which is very rare, but we shall take it. And these will, what a catch. I wish I got that on camera. They'll just slide over now. I have to do it with 2 hands, but yeah, they'll slide over, and yeah, that is it. Shower rail all in. So, new shower rail in. Always like to fit the new shower heads. Now, I will leave that one with the customer, but obviously the shower is designed to go with that head. How many times do you see them TikTok shop shower heads, you know, the one with the balls in, increased pressure, They absolutely ruin electric showers. I've seen it last times where they've been fitted and electric showers stop working. It's one of them showers that have knackered it up. So I always fit the manufacturer ahead or do. The customer can change it as if they want to, but when I leave property, that shower goes on. So yeah, let's get the water. No, the water's already on. Let's get the electric back on and test the shower. Make sure it works. Oh, the truth. Oh dear. So I think the plug was put in right, so hopefully now turn that on. Oh, we've got a light. Start. Why are you beeping at me? I'll start that. Just lack of water pressure. Sorted out it now though. Wow, that's some good strength on that shower. I reckon that's just because it's getting water through the shower. I hope it is, because I don't like that noise. So yeah, the noise did stop once the water came out, and there we go. One new shower for the customer. Say £330 that was, but more of them really good, to be fair. You still only get 2 year warranty with it though, but yeah, I like that. Looks smart. That's the end of another one.